Hey guys, it's Nard and today I'm going to the office for work. So time check, it's 6:05 a.m. Today is Wednesday and it's July 1. So waiting lang ako ng masasakyan dito papunta sa city. So andito na pala ako sa bus guys, nakasakay na ako. And andito rin ako sa favorite ko na spot. So mga less than 10 minutes din bago ako nakasakay. So nag-snack overstop pala yung sinasakyan ko guys para makapag-CR yung ibang pasahero. Nasa minimum of 3 hours din yung biyahe. May times din na 4 hours pero depende sa bilis ng takbo or traffic. So ayun, umulan pa nga. Wala pa naman akong dalang payong. So baka mag-taxi na lang ako nito from terminal to IT Park. Malapit na ako sa terminal and tumigil na yung ulan. So makakabook na ako nito ng Move It. So di na lang ako magka-taxi. So, waiting ako sa Move It. Mga 4 minutes. Sakto na nakasakay ako ng 9 a.m. And mga nasa 30 minutes din yung biyahe from Southwest Terminal to IT Park.
I thought it would scare me to let you in, but I was paper thin. You saw right through me and I gave in.
Yay! Papasok na ako. Sinuot ko na pala yung ID ko. Siyempre, check ko muna yung sarili ko bago ako papasok sa office.
If this is what it's like, I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives.
So, di naman ako late. May 25 minutes pa ako bago mag-start yung shift. Since may 10 minutes pa naman ako, pumunta ako sa pantry para mag-take out for my breakfast. By the way, I'm a business architecture associate with a support role for the SAP CRM application. I'm also pre-skilling in other applications such as Salesforce, which is a cloud-based CRM, and SAP Order to Cash. So, my responsibilities include handling incidents and other tickets, resolve issues users face in the SAP CRM system. I also work or collaborate with other SAP teams and vendor or third-party teams to prioritize and fix issues. I do support app maintenance as well as functional checks. So it's time to wrap things up and go home. I'm heading to 7-Eleven to withdraw cash from the ATM. Then mag-book na ako ng Move It papuntang terminal. Andito na pala ako sa terminal, tas bibili ako ng ticket. So, I'm just gonna end here and thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next one.